What's up guys, Jordy builds back in another video. Today we're going to be going over the install for one of the Crazy Kart controllers I offer, as well as a battery adapter kit for Milwaukee batteries that I offer for the Racer Crazy Kart. So this is the 36 volt 800 watt controller. This comes with a adapter to utilize the stock on off switch on your Crazy Kart for the electric lock. And then this is the battery adapter kit for Milwaukee batteries. This comes with hardware, that way you can mount it on the neck here. So let's jump right into the install. For the controller install, the first thing to note is make sure your on-off switch is set to off. You can use small zip ties to mount it in the stock location of the controller through the stock mounting holes, or you can just take a big zip tie and mount it flush and square just like I did here. So first things first, you're going to have an adapter that is going to connect to your stock on-off switch. It's going to connect to the two prongs on the very right side, on the off side of the on-off switch. So it doesn't matter which one goes to which, it's just completing the circuit so the controller is turned on. So we're going to go ahead and plug those in here. As you guys can see right here, the very right prong, or the on side prong, does not get used. All right guys, next thing I'm going to do is plug in our throttle. So this is our 6-pin throttle, and you can see our 3-pin throttle coming off our controller. So the bottom 2 pins on here aren't going to get used, so we're just going to plug it into the top 3 pins and utilize the clip right here. So just like that, we got our throttle plugged in. So the next step is going to be plugging in our motor wires. This is just plug and play stock 2-pin. So that's all you really got to do. And then the last wire is going to be the power plug. So let's go ahead and install our battery adapters. All right guys, this is one of the battery adapter kits I offer. This is for Milwaukee batteries. You can mount these in a couple different locations. You can mount it here, here, or just have them flat on the cart. Make sure your on-off switch is set in the off position before we go ahead and install these. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and put our other side over there. And then we're going to go ahead and start to thread our Allen bolt into the neck here. And you'll know it's tight once it gets a little snug. You don't want to really crank these down because then you'll break the adapters. So snug is good enough. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. All right guys, now that we got those mounted, we can just go ahead and plug it in. It's just the other 2-pin. It should be the red and black. So now what I like to do is just take another zip tie and zip tie all the wires away from the forks, just so you never have any interference. So just like that, we don't have any interference and nothing's in the way. All right guys, so I'm going to be using the 5 amp hour Milwaukee batteries. I recommend at least the 5 amp hour, that way you get 35 to 45 minutes of ride time. I've heard people use the 12 amp hours and get upwards of 2 hours of ride time. So if you are using heavier batteries, I would recommend you mount these down here or just flat on the cart. But the final step, all we have to do is put in our batteries, turn on the on switch, and we should have power. So now your cart's ready to go. All right guys, another thing I wanted to mention on the battery adapters, I suggest charging each battery individually all the way to 100%. And then taking the batteries off once they reach 1 bar, just to protect your batteries and keep them from any problems. So let's go take it for a rip. All right guys, thanks for watching. As you saw, she rips. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the install. If you guys want to buy any of this, I'll have a link down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.